Well, good morning, folks. The Lone Wolf Roy's here again, and welcome back to the channel. Well, would you believe it? It's the first chance of getting on my bike in 2026, and it is nearly almost the end of January. As you probably know, I went away for New Year, so that was a bit of a delay, and then after that, what weather have we had? Absolutely atrocious. So the beast has been in the garage. Yeah, thank you, love. The beast has been in the garage, keeping warm, and to be fair, so have I, in the house. So we're just popping out doing a few errands. We're not going to go far. Yeah, basically just a shakedown of the bike again after being away off it for, I bet it's been a few weeks. Anyway, bit of a shakedown, check the old beast out, and check my Moman unit out again. This new Moman intercom I'm using. Today I've just got it on the Bluetooth connection, as I'm riding with nobody, and I'm getting really clear signals from my sat nav to my helmet, crystal clear. So all I can say is it's glad to be out again. What temperature is it? Would you believe it? Mine says 24 degrees C. It could have been standing. I've had it standing warming up on the drive, you know. So I bet that'll drop down to somewhere about, I think it says 4. Feels like -2. I've got my heated seat on. Got the old heated grips on. I ain't plugged my jacket in yet because I don't think it's that desperate. Plus I ain't going that far. But I got my connection with me if I need it. Right, so how you all been doing? I hope you had a good Christmas, New Year. You've probably seen a few of my videos that I've been promoting. I'd like to welcome Moman onto my channel for their help. And of course we've got Aoocci, who are a firm supporter of my channel. Ain't nice when you got a BMW in the wrong lane. So, you've probably seen Aoocci's are still going well. BX unit I've got working a treat. The Moman stuff has been slightly delayed. So that's going to come out a little bit later than February when it was supposed to. But I have to admit, the one I'm using at the minute is very, very good. Really good connectivity to everything you want to connect it to. CarPlay, phone, mesh. Superb. So, we've got some more stuff coming your way. Hang on, see if this lorry's trying to do something here. Don't like his lane, he likes mine better. I got some more stuff from Aoocci coming, which might interest you. And I got some stuff coming from Innov, another quality brand that's can be coming to the channel. Just lift the voice up, what a steam up. Get rid of this truck out of the way. Oh, this beast is a wonderful piece of kit. I'm hoping the roads are going to stay a bit dry, hence no lanes, or not predominantly naughty lanes anyway, so they can keep the beast clean, salt free shall we say. Pick a gear, Roy, any gear. Now it's a toss up now whether we go Potterpool Road. Well, there might be some water. Oh, we carry on down this one. I think we're down Potterpool. Hopefully we don't encounter some huge amount of water. Or crap on the road. Right folks, so that's just a little short interlude, just a couple of minutes to say I'm still here, still riding, still doing my stuff, still bringing in some bits and bobs on the channel. I got a new one from Aoocci coming, and something from Innov, and also something from Moman, another one bit off Moman. See, I told you I'd get water, didn't I, coming this way? Bloody hell. Trying to keep the beast dry. What a bad plan that was, oh, you dickhead. Anyway, on that note, it's a Lone Wolf Rides saying bye for now. Don't forget, give us a tick, like, subscribe. Hit the notification button, see what's going on with this here channel. Need to make a big push if I can get one for next year. The more we do it, the more we get in. More subscribers means more people are going to help the channel. I think last year I managed to earn 2 tanks of fuel. No, I said a lie, 3 tanks of fuel. Free. So, we ain't making any records, are we? So, till the next time, it's the Lone Wolf Ride saying bye for now, and don't forget, just you be careful out there. Lone Wolf Rides for now. Bye.